Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a full face of Fenty Beauty. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. I'm going to start off with lips. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Pro Kisser lip balm from Fenty. I really like this lip balm mainly because of the applicator. I think it's so cool and so innovative, and I'm pretty sure she was one of the first people to use a wand for a lip balm. Next, I'm going to prime my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. It feels super lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel like anything. It's not tacky as well. It dries down really nicely, but it feels quite comfortable. So it's actually a really nice primer, and I definitely need to use it more. Next, I'm going to do concealer. I have the 420, which is my shade in the foundation, and I also have 400. 400 is a bit more orangey red tone, so it's quite good for color correcting. I'm going to start with a little bit of the 400, and then I will finish up with the 420. Now I'm just going to go in with the 400. It's one of those really thin, flat paddle brushes, so it just makes it really easy to go under the eye. This is such a beautiful concealer. You could definitely just wear this on its own. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, the foundation that changed the game. This is the soft matte long wear foundation. It is the most mattifying of the Fenty foundations. They do also have a new hydrating one, which I do really want to try. I haven't got it yet, but I've got this original one. This is in the shade 420. And I bought this before she extended from 40 to 50 shades, so there might actually be a better shade for me now. But at the time, I really like this shade. It's really nice. It gives really good coverage, and it is a very soft matte. It is mattifying, but it's not too harsh. I don't find it drying, but if I do have a dry patch on my skin, I do find that it does tend to cling to it. So I just tend to make sure I'm only using it on days where I'm quite smooth or oily. Next, I'm going to use some of her matchsticks. Actually came out before the concealers, and they came in kits. So they came in light, medium, tan, and dark. So in the dark one I got, I think there was actually a deep after the dark, but in the dark one I had espresso, cinnamon, and suede. One of the best things about them is that they're magnetic. Genius. I'm gonna contour with the espresso matchstick. This is a swatch of it here. It's a really nice color. So I'm just going to leave that on for a little while whilst I do some other things. Universal powder, which came out really right at the beginning. This is a really good kind of touch-up powder when you're out and about, because it is quite translucent. So I'm going to try and use it under my eye and hope it isn't a disaster. Oops. To use a little bit of the 420 on my lid. I'm going to blend out this contour with my sponge. Next, I'm going to be using the Cinnamon Matchstick from Fenty. This is a really nice kind of rosish, goldish highlighter. And just by using a slightly damp sponge, it does just help blend it in a bit more and make it a bit more molten looking. Fenty Beauty brushes, I've got her shark tooth one, which is one of my favorite ones to bronze with. I really like using this with my Hoola Toasted Bronzer. And then I've got this little one, which I think is more of a blush or a powder. It's a setting powder one. It's a really nice fluffy brush. This is the Fenty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. This one is quite red, it's quite rich and rosy, but I do still like it, and especially I like it as a 2-in-1 product because you don't really need to use blusher if you use this. I'm going to use a bit of this in my eye as well. And I might go in with a bit of highlighter just to kind of lift it a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of cinnamon on top of it, just to give it a bit more glam. And just for the inner corner, I'm going to use this Killawatt highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. Hustler Baby. Use a tiny bit more of the Mocha Mami just to kind of bring everything together. Guys, I'm pretty much finished. I just need to do my lips. I have the Mademoiselle, I think that's what it's called, Madame lipstick. This is a bright red lipstick. You know me, apparently I love bright red lipsticks now. A really nice shade. My favorite product. This is the Fenty Stunner Lip Paint. This is the shade Unveil, my favorite brown lipstick of all time. I love it. It's not the most hydrating, but it's definitely not the most drying either. It's a really nice, proper liquid lipstick. Let that dry down. Oh, hello, OMG, I was not expecting it to turn out like that. It's really liquidy, but it's really lightweight, but you do need to give it a little while to dry down. It's a really nice product. So I'm going to show you the other lip products I have from Fenty. So I actually included this in my roundup of favorite lip glosses. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Fenty Glow. I really like this. I love the scent. Oh, so good. Oh my god, what is in that? So guys, that is my finished look. I really like how this came out. I'm really impressed with the Fenty products. I kind of forgot how good and how versatile they are and how flattering they are as well on my skin tone. So I'm really impressed with the look that came together. What I was really impressed with was the bronzer as an eyeshadow and then using the cinnamon on top as a topper. I feel like that gave it a really nice effect. I'm going to give you guys a quick close up just so you can see the finished look. So guys, that is my finished look. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.